A cylinder is placed inside a cube so that it stands upright when the cube rests on one of its faces. So the first thing in such questions is that we should be able to draw the figure, and so what I'm doing is I'm quickly drawing a cube, and then we will draw another rectangle, another cylinder inside that. So here is one of the faces of the cube. Let's let's copy this one right here this way, and we can join the faces, which means here is the cube that we have. Now we have to draw a cylinder inside it. The question is asking what is the maximum possible volume of the cylinder that fits inside the cube. Now since we need to find the maximum possible, so the cylinder should be as big as possible, because one of the faces of the cylinder is resting on the base, so the circular face should come right here this way, and the cylinder should stand upright just like this till the top face, which means what we understand from this diagram is that this cylinder should be touching all the faces like this, and the radius of the cylinder should be equal to half of the length of side of cube. At the same time, the height of cylinder should be equal to the side of cube, right? Because this is the height and this is equal to this side. Now we simply have to solve this question. A cylinder is placed inside a cube so that it's upright. The cube rests on one of its faces. If the volume of the cube, now the volume of the cube is given by the property side cube, which is given as 16, which means side becomes equal to cube root of 16, which can be written as cube root of 8 times 2, and the cube root of 8 is 2. That means we can say 2 cube root of 2 is the length of the side, which means the radius of the cylinder should be equal to half of 2 times cube root of 2, which is cube root of 2, and the height we know is equal to the side, which is 2 times cube root of 2. Now the question is what is the maximum possible volume? So volume will be equal to, volume of the cylinder is given by 4 over 3 is equal to pi r square h. So pi r, which is cube root of 2, so cube root of 2 square times h, which is 2 times of cube root of 2. Now if we multiply them, cube root of 2 square and then this, that means cube root of 2 has come 3 times, which is equivalent to a 2, and we have another 2 here. That means we have 4 pi as the volume of the cylinder. So answer to the question becomes option D. Thank you so much.